मुस्कुराने के मकसद ना ढूंढ, मुस्कुराने के मकसद ना ढूंढ, वरना जिंदगी यूं ही कट जाएगी। मुस्कुराने के मकसद ना ढूंढ, वरना जिंदगी यूं ही कट जाएगी। कभी बेवजह भी मुस्कुरा के देख, कभी बेवजह भी मुस्कुरा के देख, तेरे साथ जिंदगी भी मुस्कुराएगी, तेरे साथ जिंदगी भी मुस्कुराएगी। प्यारे साथियों, आज के वीडियो के साथ जुड़ने से पहले ये जो दो बातें कही गई हैं, या मैं ये कहूँगा कि जो भी विद्वान लोग होते हैं उनके द्वारा कहे गए सुवचन हमें अपनी ज़िंदगी में उन सुवचनों को ढालने का प्रयास करते रहना चाहिए। हमारे मुस्कुराने से अगर किसी को खुशी मिल रही है तो हमारा मुस्कुराना ज़रूरी है। हर किसी के मुस्कुराने से किसी न किसी एक को खुशी ज़रूर मिलती है। तो चेहरे पर हमेशा एक स्माइल होनी चाहिए। प्यारे साथियों, कोनिक सेक्शंस हमारा जो आज का वीडियो है, सर्कल के ऊपर हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट और एक्सरसाइज के कुछ क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व किया था, और आज हम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं सर्कल से जुड़े हुए बचे हुए क्वेश्चंस, पार्ट सेकंड। सो लेट अस प्रोसीड नाउ। Question number 10. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 4,1 and 6,5 and whose center is on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16. So here first of all we write the equation of the circle in general form. This is x square plus y square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus c is equal to 0. Right? Find the equation of the circle passing through the points. So first of all, this equation of the circle passes through first point, passes through 4,1. So put x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. So this equation becomes 4 square plus 1 square plus 2u into 4 plus 2v into 1 plus c is equal to 0. Solving this, we can write 2 into 4 8u plus 2v plus c, 4 for 16 plus 1 17 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Second time this passes through 6,5. So this means we put x is equal to 6, y is equal to 5 in this equation. So this becomes 6 whole square plus 5 whole square plus 2u into 6 plus 2v into y is 5 plus c is equal to 0. This gives us 6 into 2 12u plus 2 into 5 10v plus c plus 6 6 20 36 plus 25 61 is equal to 0. Say this is equation number 2. Right? Now we solve these equations. Solving equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Just we subtract. On subtraction we have to change the signs. So plus c minus c cancelled. 8u minus 12u minus 4u. 2v minus 10v minus 8v. Plus 17 minus 61 minus 44 equal to 0. So dividing throughout by minus 4, we have u plus 2v plus 11 is equal to 0. Say this is equation number 3. Now what is next? Whose center is on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16. So we need the center now. This is the general equation of the circle. And from this equation, the center we can say minus half the coefficient of x, u, comma, minus half the coefficient of y, that is v, is the center, right? So center lies on this line. Center mean minus u comma minus v lies on this line, on the line 4x plus y is equal to 16. So put x is equal to minus u. So this gives us 4 into minus u plus minus v is equal to 16, right? So what we can do here, from equation 3 we can say u is equal to minus 2v minus 11, right? We put now this value here. 4 into minus u mean to say 2v plus 11. Next is minus v is equal to 11, is 16, right? So further 4 into 2, 8v plus 44 minus v is equal to 16. This gives us 7v minus 28. 7v is equal to minus 28. So from here the value of v is minus 4, and we substitute this value now here. This gives us u is equal to minus 2 into v is minus 4 minus 11, mean to say u is equal to 8 minus 11. So this gives us u equal to minus 3. Now we also need to find the value of c. So where is c? In equation number 2, in equation number 1 we have c. So let us take equation number 1. What is this? 8u, u mean minus 3, plus 2v, v mean minus 4, plus c plus 17 equal to 0, right? So this gives us c is equal to 15, right? So finally what was the equation? X square plus y square minus plus 2ux plus 2vy plus c equal to 0. We substitute all these values, u equal to minus 3, v equal to minus 4, c equal to 15 in this equation. then we have the required equation of the circle. So what is this? This becomes x square plus y square plus 2ux, mean to say 3 into 2 6 minus 6x plus 2vy minus 4 minus 8y plus c mean 15 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the circle. Next question. Now next question number 11. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 2 3 and minus 1 1 and whose center is on the line x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. So first of all, what is the general equation of the circle? This is general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus c is equal to 0, and we also declare here what is the center. Center of this circle is minus half the coefficient of x minus u comma minus half the coefficient of y minus v. This is the center, right? So number 1, this passes through 2 comma 3. So we put here x equal to 2 square plus 3 square plus 2u into 2 plus 2v into 3 plus c equal to 0. So from this we have 4u plus 6v plus c plus 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 plus 4 13 equal to 0. Second time the circle passes through minus 1 comma 1. So we put here minus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2u into minus 1 plus 2v into 1 plus c equal to 0, which gives us minus 2u plus 2v plus c 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. Now solving these two equations, that is subtracting, on subtraction the sign changes, plus minus minus minus. So 4 plus 2 6u, 6 minus 2 4v, c cancelled, plus 13 minus 2 11 equal to 0, right? So this is equation number 1, whose center lies on. So we write here what is the center. This is minus u minus v lies on which line? X minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. So this gives us x mean minus u minus 3v is y is minus v, so this becomes plus 3v minus 11 equal to 0. Okay, so we can multiply this equation by 6. So this becomes minus 6u plus 18v minus 66 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. So solving 1 and 2, adding 6u minus 6u cancelled, 4 plus 18, this is 22v, and this is minus 55 equal to 0. So v is equal to 55 upon 22. 5 upon 2 is the v. So we put the value of v in first equation. 6u plus 4v plus 11 equal to 0 is the first equation. That is 6u plus 4v plus 11 equal to 0. Put v equal to 5 upon 2. So 6u plus 4 into 5 upon 2 plus 11 equal to 0. Solving this, 6u plus 10 plus 11 equal to 0. So this means 6u equal to minus 21, which again gives u equal to minus dividing by 2, 3, 7 upon 2, 3 into 2, 7 into 3. Now we need c. So let us substitute the values of u and v in this equation. 4u plus 6v plus c plus 13 equal to 0. Put u is equal to minus 7 upon 2 plus 6 into 5 upon 2 plus c plus 13 equal to 0. From here we have 14 plus 15 plus c plus 13 equal to 0, right? So this is 1 plus 14, c is equal to minus 14. So u minus 7 upon 2, v 5 upon 2, c minus 14. We substitute all these values here in the equation, general equation of the circle. So this becomes x square plus y square plus 2ux, 2 cancelled, minus 7x plus 2vy, 2 cancel, plus 5y plus c, that is minus 14, equal to 0 is the required equation of the circle. Once again I want to explain. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 2, 3, minus 1, 1 and whose center is on the line x plus minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. In such questions we suppose the general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus c equal to 0, and its center is taken this way, minus half the coefficient of x comma minus half the coefficient of y. Okay, first time we took first point, this passes through, so we have this equation. Second time we took this point, second point, this passes through, mean to say put x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, then we have this equation. On solving this we can eliminate c. So only u and v, two variables are left. Okay. Second equation we have to find with this center. We put whose center lies on this line. So we substituted the values u, v and c in the supposed equation of the circle, and this gives us required equation of the circle. Next question. Question number 12. Find the equation of the circle with radius 5 whose center lies on the x-axis and passes through the point 2, 3. So here we can suppose the standard form of the circle, standard equation of the circle. This is equation of the circle in standard form: x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Okay, so what is center? Here center is a comma b. Center lies on x-axis. On x-axis, what we know, y is 0. Center becomes a comma 0, right? So this means b is equal to 0. So we write equation as x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to, whose radius is 5. So 5 whole square, right? Again, what is given? Passes through the point 2 comma 3. So put x is equal to 2, that is passes through 2 comma 3. So this means 2 minus a whole square plus 3 whole square equal to 25. We solve this now. 4 minus 4a plus a square plus 9 equal to 25. That is a square minus 4a. 9 plus 4, 13. So this is equal to minus 12 equal to 0. 6 into 2, 12. So a square minus 6a plus 2a minus 12 equal to 0. So from here we have a is equal to 6 comma minus 2, right? Mean to say, what is the equation of the circle now? Directly here we substitute. X minus a is 6 whole square plus y square equal to 25, or second time we take a equal to minus 2. So x plus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 25. That is, we can write this as x square plus y square minus 12x plus 36 minus 25 plus 11 equal to 0, or x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4 minus 25 minus 21 equal to 0. So these are the two equations of the required circle. Question number 13. Find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts a and b on the coordinate axis. So what is the meaning of this intercepts a and b on the axis? Suppose we have the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis. The circle passes through origin, one point this, and x-intercept is this way. We can have the equation, the geometric form, passing through 0, 0. Making x-intercept is a. So this point is a, 0. Y-intercept is b. So this point is 0, b. Right? So what we do? We take the general form, general equation of the circle. Equation of the circle, general form is x square plus y square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus c equal to 0. Number one thing, passes through 0, 0. So 0 square plus 0 square plus 2u into 0 plus 2v into 0 plus c equal to 0. So this gives us simply everything is 0. So c is equal to 0, 1. Right? Second time, this passes through a, 0. So we put x is equal to a square plus 0 square plus 2u into a plus 2v into 0 plus c is already 0 equal to 0. So from here we have a square plus 2ua equal to 0. That means the value of u is a is cancelled. So we have minus a upon 2 is the value of u. Similarly, third time what we do, this passes through 0 comma b. So we write here 0 square plus b square plus 2u into 0 plus 2v into b plus c is already 0 equal to 0. So from here we have b square plus 2v into b equal to 0, and which gives the value of v equal to minus b upon 2. So what we are doing here, we are just substituting the values of u, v and c in the general equation of the circle. So this becomes x square plus y square plus 2ux. What is u? Minus a upon 2. 2 cancels. Minus ax plus 2vy. V is minus b upon 2. So minus by plus c. This is already 0 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle. Now we have question number 14. Find the equation of a circle with the center 2, 2 and passes through the point 4, 5. So here we suppose the standard equation of the circle, which is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So here but center is a comma b, but this is given that center is 2, 2. So we put 2, 2, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square. Right? Next time this is also given that this passes through point 4, 5. So we replace x by 4, y by 5. So this becomes 4 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square equal to r square. Mean to say this is 2. 2 whole square is 4. This is also 2. Whole square is 4 is equal to r square. That means r square value is 8. Right? Now what we do, we substitute this value here. So this becomes x square. Required equation becomes x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 8. Solving x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Right hand side also 8 cancelled. So this gives us x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y equal to 0 is the required equation of the circle. Sorry, here one rectification. This is y minus 2. So 5 minus 2 was there. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So this is 13. Right? This is 13. So 13 minus 8 is 5. So minus 5 equal to 0 is the required equation of the circle. Now solving the last question of the exercise, question number 15. Does the point minus 2.5, 3.5 lie inside, outside or on the circle x square plus y square equal to 25? So from this equation we say x square plus y square is equal to 5 whole square. So radius of the circle is 5, right? Mean to say also from here we can say center of the circle is 0, 0. Now this is the circle and this point is 0, 0, and this distance is from center of the circle to the circumference. This r distance is 5. From the given equation of the circle we obtained this. Now let us find the distance number 1 from O to this point. Suppose this point is P point. OP distance, this is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which gives us x2 is 0, 0 minus minus this becomes plus 2.5 its whole square plus 0 minus 3.5 its whole square. So that means 6.25 2.5 whole square is 6.25. 3.5 whole square, this is 12.25. So this means this is equal to 18.5. So this means 5 5s are squaring, so OP square is equal to 18.5. Here R square is equal to 25. Mean to say this distance is less. OP square is less than R square. So this gives OP distance is also less than R. So P lies somewhere here, because this distance and this distance, OP distance is smaller than R. Obviously the point P lies inside the circle. If OP is equal to R, it means this lies on the circle. If OP distance is greater, it means the point will lie outside. But in this case, in this question, this P point lies